Hi everyone! I hope you are doing well. I'm with Rapidly again. If you have watched my previous tutorials, you know that I collaborate with them many times before. I love the colors and patterns they offer, and they care about creating environmentally friendly wrapping papers. I'll post the link in the description if you'd like to know more about Rapidly's papers. Now today's tutorial is how to upgrade your gift wrapping with a simple technique anyone can do. Let's get started. First thing we will do is to cut the paper to the right size. Keep any excess paper for creating an additional design later. Whatever the size of the box you have, you will need enough paper to wrap around the box plus the tape margin on one side. Then for the other side, you will need enough paper to close both ends. Wrap the paper around the box, making sure the seam is right at the edge. Crease well at the corners. Place a strip of double-sided tape, then close the end, making sure the paper is wrapped around the box tightly. Now to close the ends, fold down the top paper all the way to the box. Fold the side papers in angles. Make sure the paper is folded to the corners. Fold the bottom paper in a triangle shape. This is actually the top paper since the box is upside down. Place double-sided tape along the edge. Then close. Repeat the same steps on the other side. We are done wrapping the box. We're gonna use the excess paper to create a design fold. Make sure the length is enough to wrap around the box. You can choose whichever the direction, vertically or horizontally, to wrap around. Once you make sure you have enough paper, fold up the end with the front side paper facing down. Continue to make wider folds 3 more times. Turn the paper over and unfold everything except the first fold. Bring the second crease toward ourselves in halfway point. Fold the third crease away from ourselves in halfway point as well. Then cut the end a little over the fourth crease. Fold back the fourth crease. Then you finish creating the tuxedo fold. Place strips of clear tape to secure the back of the design. Depending on the size of your paper, you can place as many times as you need. Place the design paper over the box and position it so that the seam would be at the corner. Close the end with double-sided tape. Pop up the edges of the folds so that the pleats design becomes more visible. Let's add a ribbon. Wrap the ribbon around the box. Then tie a single bow, making sure the ribbon is not loose. Adjust the bow and cut the ends. Now we don't want to waste any excess paper, so we're gonna make a message card. Cut the cardstock or any thicker paper into the size of the message card you like. Place double-sided tape all around the edges. Then tape down onto the back of the paper. Cut the excess paper to the size of the cardstock. Fold in half. You can write your message inside. Insert it into a pocket space under the fold design, and done. Thanks again for watching my tutorial. This is a simple idea to upgrade and personalize your gift wrapping. I hope you can use it for your next event. Don't forget to subscribe for the future videos, and let me know if you have any requests for the upcoming videos. See you in the next video.